here it is, May 27th. It's a Wednesday, and you know Wednesday is Aldi Finds Day. So I came early today because last week I came late and, well, it was a job. So what do we have here? We have a metal teacup planters. Now these are really cute. I only see green. It shows on the box green and white, but they only seem to have gotten in the green. And they are $9.99 each. Up here is solar address stakes. You put them in the ground and you put your house number on there. It says approximately 6 hours running time when battery is fully charged, and that is $12.99. And over here are 2 packs of solar stake lanterns. Comes in either a bronze color or black, and they are $12.99 each. Down here are all-season doormats. They're very heavy, and they are 24 by 36, and they have either the black and gray that you can see here. Then underneath, I thought I saw a couple of like the half moons in tan, but that's a good price. They're $9.99 each. Here are outdoor mats. They're Mickey Mouse. It says hello on it, and they are 18 by 30 inch, and they are $9.99. Down here are reversible indoor-outdoor runners, and I see they have gray and white, brown and white. There's a navy and white, and back there it looks like yellow and white. And they are, let me see the size on them, 2 foot by 6 foot, and they're $7.99 each. It looks to me like they got a lot of pet items in today. Now, do you have a kitty? This is a cat window perch by Heart to Tail. You have your choice of either a tan or I think a gray. And it says designed for utility. It's a soft plush bed and easy to assemble. And it's 14 by 23 by about 8. And they are $14.99 each. This is a backpack. It says with lounge. 15-pound maximum weight capacity and easy storage. I see they have a cat in there. And it's $19.99. Up here is your choice of, it looks to me like either pork or beef. I'm not sure. I think pork. Anyway, it's pork retrievers and rawhide rolls. And the package of the assorted natural dog chews is $5.99. These are so cute. These are dog cooling toys. Look at that one. It's a popsicle and a donut. I'm getting this for Cinnamon. They have a watermelon back here and a bone. Those are adorable. Oh, it shows you on here. There's 3 different choices. And those are $4.99. With the summer and the hot weather, I think the dogs would love this. Look at this, how cute. It's a water pedal dog toy. Can you see? The dog has his paw on it. And it looks like it's hooked up to a hose. And when the dog presses on the paws, it squirts water at the dog. It's cute. That is $12.99. There's a cat scratch house down there. I don't have a cat, I only have a dog, but if you have a cat, look at that. It's made to look like an Aldi store. And it says, encourage positive scratching, interactive play, enclosed hideout, and includes catnip, and that's $9.99. Up here is your choice of either a dog harness or a leash for $4.99, and it shows you on the box the different designs the harness comes in, and then you have the leashes, so it's your choice. Well, if you're planning on going on vacation with your dog, they have you all set here. There's collapsible dog bowls. There's microfiber drying towels. And here is the travel water container. And let me see. There's the pictures of the three of them on the box. And you have your choice. They're $6.99. Down here is the pet cooling mat. I have one of these for my fur baby Cinnamon, and she loves it. They are $14.99, and they come in either like a swirly watercolor paint or like a pebble design. And here is a collapsible pet pool. Comes in either a watermelon design that you can see there, or either a solid purple or a solid green. And those are $12.99. Here we have volleyball beach combo sets. And there's a ball in there, and it looks like a frisbee. And there's a few different colors, and they are $14.99. If you're into camping, you have your choice here of a 10-pack bungee cord set, a 2-pack of dry bags, a solar camping shower, or an inflatable pillow. And here's the pictures on the box, and they are $6.99 each. Here you have summer water toys for the kids. There's the Dive-In Fish, there's the Magical Mermaids, and Gummy Buddies, and I think there's another one. I see the pictures on the box. They're $4.99 each. Well, they have a new variety of 40-ounce thirst crusher tumblers with the handles. I love the handles. And they have several different beach designs, and this one has the shells on it. It shows you on the box the different designs they have, and those are not bad. $9.99 for the 40-ounce one. Here you have your choice of either the pool lounge or the seat, and these are the pictures on the box. The ones on the top are the lounge, and the other three are the seat. And they come in different colors, and they are $9.99 each. These are cute. They're inflatable noodles. They're big. And they have, let's see, they either have the stick of butter, they have the big dill pickle, they have the one that says fun soaking, it's cheese, and the other one I'm not sure what that one is, but they're funny, and they're $9.99 each. They'd be a good entertaining noodle for your pool. Here are two-piece cooler bags, and there's the popular lemon design. They have the pink shell, and it looks like they have oranges. They are $7.99 each, and they're two-piece. You get the large one and the small one. Those are nice. Up here are waterproof floating phone pouches. I see blue, I see like a pink and an iridescent, and they show you the different colors, and they are $8.99 each. Here are Crane swim goggles. They're in different colors, and they are $4.99 each. down here are men's or ladies' slide sandals, and the sizes are 7 through 11, and they're in black, brown, pink, and I think there's a lighter color back there, and those are $6.99 each. Right next to it are the children's or toddlers lightweight footbed sandals, and you see they have purple, there's a white and pink, there's a navy and light blue, sizes 5'6" through 2'3", and they're $4.99 each. Here are full face snorkeling masks. It says 2-in-1 mask and snorkel. They're $14.99 each, and they all seem to say on them size small, medium, and they come in 2 different colors. Here are quilted crossbody bags. They come in black, blue, and pink. This is just what they look like, and they are $9.99 each. These are men's 2-pack thermal shorts. They're like a sweatshirt material. And it looks like they come in gray and black, or I don't know. I'm looking on the box. A couple of different colors. It says that they have a zipper on the back pocket. Let me see. And a key pocket in the back, and they are $12.99 for the pack of 2. Here are novelty straw totes. They come in either a stripe, a solid, or this one says on beach time, but I don't see they have a price out for them. Here's your choice of either sport earbuds or a portable speaker, and they come in different colors. I don't see too many left here. There's black and pink, but they are $14.99 each. Decor has out an assortment of sugar scrubs, and they are $4.59 each. These are ladies' slip-on trainers, and it looks like they come in white or tan. I don't see too many left here. I think I see an 8, 9, and 10. They're $14.99 each. Here are long line sport bras by Crane. They come in either black, white, or a green. Size is small through extra large, and they are $9.99 each. It says they're quick drying, breathable outer fabric, moisture wicking, and so forth. Here are ladies' athleisure dresses, and they come in sizes small through extra large, and there's 2 colors, either black or this like sort of royal blue, and they are $14.99 each. Here are ladies' bike shorts, premium bike shorts, quick drying, moisture control with an 8-inch inseam. Size is small through extra large, and they are $8.99 each. Since they have out all the things preparing us for summer, I guess they want the ladies' legs to be nice and smooth and shaven. So they have out Gillette Max 3 or Venus razors. And there's different choices here for $6.99. Here's a 3-tier wooden plant stand. And let me see, that is $16.99. Here you have your choice of a set of 3 ceramic garden stakes. They have the snails, mushrooms, bees, and those are so cute. I'll give you a close-up of them. And they're $6.99 for the box of 3. These are really cute bird feeders, hanging bird feeders. Across the aisle are some new food items. Here's coffee. They have mocha marshmallow or toasted graham cracker. And they are flavored and ground for $7.99 for the bag. Now I have not seen these before. They are Cheerios veggie blends. And this one's apple strawberry. And they have blueberry banana for $4.95. I have not seen these before, and that's the family size. This is something new. They're Cheez-Its, but they're chili cheese dog flavored. And those are $3.75 for the box. Well, I hope you all enjoyed our stroll down the Aldi Finds aisle. They had so much today for dogs and cats, and a lot of summer decor for outside, and just so much. So summer is here at Aldi's, and they didn't forget the pets. So see you next week. Thanks for watching. Toodles!